Hello everyone, this is Laura from Trust Us channel. Trust Us is a manufacturer with 30 years experience. Today I'm going to introduce the product Fiber Joint Tap. The materials of it is fiber paper and it have high tensile strength. It can be stuck on gypsum board and cement and other building materials completely, and it can solve the problem of cracked seams. It can be also used to protect corners from damage or breaking. Our regular size is 35 meters per rows. If you have any requirements, please feel free to contact us. Bye bye.
Bye bye.